In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage overdue invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you've got customers who are slow to pay, QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to find those overdue invoices and follow up with clear, professional reminders. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to locate overdue invoices, filter them, and send both individual and batch reminders so you can keep your cash flow on track. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Sales. Under Sales, you can choose either All Sales or Invoices. Both options will work for what we're doing, but Invoices usually gives you a more focused view if you mainly want to work with unpaid or overdue items. Once you're on the All Sales or Invoices page, look near the top of the screen for the Filter button. This is usually a drop-down or a button that lets you narrow down what you're seeing. You can also sometimes use the drop-down menu directly next to a specific invoice if you're targeting just one. The idea here is to filter the list so you only see the invoices that are actually overdue. Open the filter options and find the status drop-down menu. Click on that, and from the list of statuses, choose Overdue. This tells QuickBooks to show only invoices that are past their due date. After selecting Overdue, click Apply. Your list should now update to display only the invoices that need your attention. If you want to send a reminder for a single overdue invoice, go to that invoice line and click the small drop-down arrow to the right. From the menu that appears, select Send Reminder. QuickBooks will open an email window with a pre-filled message that includes the customer's details and a link to view or pay the invoice. Before you send it, take a moment to review and customize the subject line and the message. You might want to adjust the tone to match your business style, add a friendly note, or include any relevant payment details. When you're happy with the wording, go ahead and send the reminder. If you need to follow up on several invoices at once, you can save time by using batch actions. In your overdue list, check the boxes next to each invoice you want to remind. Then look for the Batch Actions drop-down above the list and choose Send Reminders. Again, you'll have a chance to review and customize the subject line and email message before sending them out. This is a great way to stay organized and consistent with your follow-ups without having to open each invoice one by one.